So guys, if you don't have any doubt in the previous chapter, that is budgetary control, so we will go to the next chapter. So the next chapter name is ABC, activity based costing. So before we proceed with this chapter, I want you to listen to this story. So once it happened 2-3 months ago, me and then two of my other friends, we had been to a hotel, and the total bill came up to 450 rupees. So we did this simple math: 450 divided by 3. So 450 divided by 3 is 150 rupees. So each of us have contributed 150 rupees and then we paid the bill. But I feel that's not the proper way to segregate the hotel bill. Why? Let's watch this clip, then I will explain why. So we saw the clip, right? Okay, so tell me, guys, what did you come to know after watching the clip? So usually the consumption will vary, right? In the clip we saw Tom, Jerry, and then the uh, dog, correct? So the consumption will vary. The consumption of food will differ. So after I went home, I did one detailed analysis, and this is the analysis. First, we had dosa. So the total cost of dosa is 90 rupees. This is the total cost. So Bharat had 10 bites of that. Okay, out of one dosa, he had 10 bites. And then Kiran had 5 bites, and then me, that's Prasanna, me had 5 bites. So for 20 bites, 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 10. 5 plus 5 plus 10 is 20. For 20 bites, we paid 90 rupees. So can you find out the cost for one bite? That is 90 divided by 20. So if we do 90 divided by 20, we'll get 4.5 rupees. So this is the cost per bite, correct? So I had 5 bites. So for one bite, the cost is 4 rupee 50 paise. So you need to multiply this. 5 into 4 rupee 50 paise is 22.5. Again, Kiran had 5 bites. So 5 into 4.5 is 22.5. Again, Bharat had 10 bites. So 10 multiplied by 4.5, that's 45 rupees. Then after those, we had pani puri. So we paid 90 rupees. We paid 90 rupees for the pani puri. And I ate 2 puris. Kiran ate 3 puris. Bharat is Bakasura. Bakasura Bharat ate 5 puris. So 2 plus 3 plus 5. For 10 puris, we paid 90 rupees. So 90 divided by 10. So 90 divided by 10 is 9 rupees. So the cost of one puri is 9. So since I had 2 puris, my cost will be 18 rupees. 9 into 2 is 18. Kiran had 3 puris. So 3 into 9 is 27. Bharat had 10 puris. So 10 into 5 is, 5 into 9 is 45. Then we had starters. So the total cost of starter is 90 rupees. I just had, 10 piece of the starters. Kiran had 1 piece, and then Bharat had 4 pieces of starters. So 5 plus 1 plus 4. For 10 pieces, we paid 90 rupees. So 90 divided by 10. 90 divided by 10 is 9 rupees. So this is the cost for one piece. So 5 into 9. 5 into 9 is 45. So my share is 45. Kiran had 1 piece. So 1 into 9 is 9. Then Bharat 4 pieces. 4 into 9 is 36. Then at the end we had biryani. The total cost of biryani is 180 rupees. So I ate 10 spoons of biryani, Kiran ate 15 spoons, and then Bakasura Bharat ate 20 spoons. So 10 plus 15 plus 20, that's 45. So we paid 180 rupees for 45 spoons. So 180 divided by 45. If you do that math, 180 divided by 45, you will get 4 rupees. So the cost of biryani per spoon is rupees 4. Since I had 10 spoons, my share will be 10 into 4 is 40, and Kiran had 15 spoons, 15 into 4 is 60. Then Bharat had 20 spoons, 20 into 4 is 80 rupees. Then if you find the total, my share will be 125.5. Kiran's share is 118.5. Then Bharat's share is 206, and the total hotel bill is 450 rupees. Now see here we got two accountings. One is a traditional costing. This is traditional costing. In traditional costing, we simply divided the total bill divided by number of persons. That's how we got 150 rupees. So this is costing, traditional approach, costing under a traditional approach. But this table shows costing under ABC approach, activity based costing. So according to activity based costing, the cost will be determined based on the number of activities. See here, how many activities are there? 4 activities, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. First activity is dosa, then second one is pani puri, then third one is starters, fourth one is biryani, correct? So there are 4 activities, and we need to segregate the cost based on the activities. For eating dosa, the activity cost is 90 rupees. So this 90 is called as cost pool. This 90 is called as cost pool. Cost for one activity. Cost for having dosa is 90 rupees, right? So this 90 is called as cost pool. So cost pool will be divided by cost drivers. Cost drivers. So in my example, the cost drivers are bytes. I had 5 bytes, right? Kiran had 5 bytes, then Bharat had 10 bytes. So this bytes is called as cost driver. So cost pool is 90 divided by drivers, 5 plus 5 plus 10, that is 20. If you do 90 by 20, you will get cost rate. Cost rate. Cost rate multiplied with the activities. So 5 activities into cost rate, 5 activities into cost rate, will get 22.5, 22.5. Then 10 activities into cost rate, you will get 45 rupees. Like that, the second activity is Pani Puri. And again, the cost for Pani Puri is 90 rupees. This 90 is called as cost pool. So 90 divided by cost drivers. So here cost driver is number of puris. See here I ate 2 puris, Kiran ate 3 puris, Bharat ate 5 puris. So find the total, 2 plus 3 plus 5, 10 puris, right? So 10 puris are nothing but cost driver here. So cost pool is 90, cost drivers are 10. So 90 divided by 10 is 9 rupees. So this 9 is called as cost rate. This 9 is called as cost rate. So multiply this cost rate with the number of activities. 2 activities into 9, 18 rupees. 3 activities into 9, 27. 5 activities into 9, 45. So this is how the cost is found out under ABC costing. This is activity based costing. Under a traditional costing approach, the costing was simple. The total bill divided by number of persons, correct? But in ABC costing, we will get the accurate cost of the product because the cost is bifurcated based on the number of activities. But earlier, we used to ignore this fact, correct? We used to ignore that consumption. So earlier, this was under traditional approach. This 150, 150, 150, this costing was under a traditional approach. But this 125.5, 118.5, 206, this is under ABC approach, activity based costing. So according to ABC, the cost will be found out based on the number of activities. So now we will look at the questions. So here is the first question, guys. See, there are 3 activities here. 3 activities. One is a mission related activity. Second one is a setup related activity. Third one is a expenses related activity. And the total cost of mission related activities 3 lakh rupees. This 3 lakhs is called as cost pool. Cost pool. Okay, and 30,000 is cost pool for setup related activity. 35,000 is cost pool for expenses related to orders. Got it? So this is cost pool. And see, units produced. Units produced are 1000 units and then 2000 units. Direct labor hours are 2 hours and then 3 hours. Machine hours per unit. To make 1 unit of A, we need to spend 6 machine hours. To make 1 unit of B, we need to spend 1.5 hours. Then to make 1000 to make 1 unit of A, we need 15 setups. To make 1 unit of B, we need 50 setups. Then orders. To produce A, we need to make 18 orders. To produce B, we need to make 70 orders. So the first step is to find out the cost rates. So we'll find out the cost rates now, cost driver rates. So we'll do that. First, we will find out cost rate for this mission activity. So here the total cost pool is 3 lakh rupees. So mission activity expenditure. In the numerator, I will write 3 lakhs. Divided by, in the denominator, we should write mission hours. See, this is the denominator, mission hours. To make 1 unit, we need 6 hours, right? So A, we made 1000 units. 1000 into 6 is 6000. And B, we made 2000 units. 2000 into 1.5. So find out mission hour rate. So that will be 33.33 rupees. So this is the cost per hour. Then we'll find out cost driver rate for setup, mission setup. See, the total setup cost is 30,000. This is total setup cost. Total setup cost. And see how many setups are there here? 15 plus 50. So 65. So 30,000 divided by 65. For 65 setups, we have incurred 30,000 rupees. So 30,000 divided by 65, you will get 461.538. Then rate per order. So ordering cost. So we have incurred 35,000 rupees towards placing the orders, right? And see totally how many orders are there? 18 plus 70. 18 plus 70 is 88. So for 88 orders, we have spent 35,000 rupees. So find out cost per order. So cost per order will be 35,000 divided by 88. Okay. So now we'll proceed with the solution. So we are finding a cost, overhead cost as per under ABC, activity based costing. So I'll make columns like this, particulars, product A and then product B. See, A, we have manufactured 1000 units, right? And to make 1 unit, we need 6 hours here, correct? So to make 1000 units, we need to spend 6000 hours, correct? So 6000 hours into, for 1 hour, the mission hour rate is 33.33 rupees. So multiply that. 1000 into 33.33 is 2 lakh rupees. Then B, to make 1 unit of B, we need to spend 1.5 hours. So to make 2000 units, we need to spend 3 hours, 3000 hours. So 3000 into 33.33, we will get 1 lakh rupees. Then find out per unit cost. The next one is a setup related cost. So there are 15 setups, right? To make A, to manufacture 1000 units of A, we had 15 setups, 15 mission setups. To manufacture 2000 units of me, we had 50 setups. For one setup, the cost is 461.538. So multiply this now. 15 into 461.538. We'll get 6923. Then 50 into 461.538, you will get 23,076.90. The next one is cost related to orders. See, there are 18 plus 70, 88 orders, and rate per order is 390.73. And to make A, we had 18 orders, right? So 18 into 397, you will get 7159. Then B, 70 orders, 70 into 397.73. You will get 27,841. Then find the total here. So this 2,14,082 is the total cost for producing 1,000 units of A, and 1,50,918 this is the total cost for producing 2,000 units of B.